AWS Transit Gateway Overview. AWS Transit Gateway is a managed service that helps you connect your Amazon VPCs, AWS accounts, and on-premises networks through a central hub. As you expand globally, inter-region peering connects transit gateways together using the AWS Global Network. Your data is automatically encrypted and never travels over the public internet. Because of its central position, AWS Transit Gateway Network Manager has a unique view over your entire network, even connecting to software-defined wide area network, or SD-WAN devices. Here are some key benefits. Centralized network management. Transit Gateway simplifies network management by providing a single entry point for all connected resources, eliminating the need to manage multiple VPCs and on-premises networks separately. High scalability. Transit Gateway can handle millions of routes and support up to 5,000 VPCs and on-premises networks per Transit Gateway, making it ideal for customers with large and complex network environments. Cost-effective. Customers pay only for the resources they use, making it a cost-effective solution for networking needs. It also removes the need to purchase and manage expensive hardware, such as routers and switches, saving customers money on upfront costs and maintenance. Here are some key features. Security. AWS Transit Gateway integrates with Identity and Access Management, IAM, and enables you to manage access to AWS Transit Gateway securely. Using IAM, you can create and manage AWS users and groups, and use permissions to deny and allow their access to the AWS Transit Gateway. Routing. AWS Transit Gateway supports dynamic and static Layer 3 routing between Amazon VPCs and a VPN. Routes determine the next hop, depending on the destination IP address of the packet, and can point to an Amazon VPC or to a VPN connection. SD-WAN compatibility. Compatible SD-WAN partners of AWS, such as Cisco, Aruba, Silver Peak, Aviatrix, and Versa have pre-configured AWS site-to-site VPNs so that SD-WAN solutions can automate the connection of your remote sites with AWS. With AWS Transit Gateway Network Manager, you get a unified view of your network across AWS and on-premises networks.